Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Chika t-shirt I got from Shein. So yeah, I got this, as you guys can see right over here. I'm very excited to open this up. And yeah, I think I got it for around $14. I'm not sure. I ordered it a long time ago. So yeah, with no further ado, let's go ahead and open this up because I'm dying to open this up. So yeah, let's go. As you guys can see, here's the t-shirt. It's pretty good. Let's see if they gave me medium because I ordered medium, so yeah. Yeah, it's medium. As you guys can see, here's the shirt here. If you guys don't know what this anime is, it's Kaguya-sama Loves the War. So yeah, make sure to check it out. It's actually a very good anime. And yeah, as you guys can see. So yeah, now it's time to wear it and see if it fits. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am wearing it right now, and let me just say, it's so comfortable, and this is like so soft. As you guys can see, it's like that soft texture. And yeah, I really like the art here. It's like very good, and yeah, this gets a 10 out of 10. It's like a very good shirt, and for $14, it's very good. I mean, free shipping too. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to buy it. Obviously, there's different sizes. I don't know which ones are in stock, but I'll leave a link in the description anyways. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace out.